Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use BetterHelp for affordable therapy, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the BetterHelp website. Once on the homepage, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. You'll be prompted to fill out a questionnaire. This questionnaire helps BetterHelp understand your needs and preferences. Provide honest answers to ensure the best match with a therapist. After completing the questionnaire, you'll be asked to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Once your account is created, log into the platform. Now, you'll see a page with potential therapist matches. Review the profiles of the therapists recommended for you. Take note of their specialties and approaches to therapy. Choose a therapist that resonates with you. Click on their profile to learn more or request a session. You may be asked to provide additional information about your situation. After finalizing your choice, schedule your first session. Select a time and date that works best for you. Sessions can be conducted via video, phone, or messaging. Once scheduled, you'll receive a confirmation email. On the day of your session, log in to your BetterHelp account. Access the messaging or video link for your therapy session. Be prepared to discuss your thoughts and feelings openly. After your session, reflect on what you've learned. You can schedule follow-up sessions as needed. BetterHelp also offers unlimited messaging between sessions. Feel free to reach out to your therapist anytime with updates or questions. This flexibility allows for ongoing support as you navigate your journey. Remember, therapy is a process, and progress takes time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.